To transfer money from Crypto.com to Cash App, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to have a Crypto.com account and a Cash App account. If you do not have these accounts, you will need to create them. Start by logging into your Crypto.com account and navigating to the Account Balance section. Here, you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold, including their respective balances. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Withdraw button next to it. Since Cash App does not support direct cryptocurrency deposits, you will need to sell your cryptocurrency for a fiat currency like the US dollar. To do this, click on the Sell button and follow the prompts to complete the sale. The funds will be deposited into your Crypto.com fiat wallet. Next, you will need to link your Cash App account to your bank account or debit card. This is necessary because you will be transferring the funds from Crypto.com to your bank account, and then to Cash App. To link your bank account or debit card, log into your Cash App account and navigate to the banking section. Now, back in your Crypto.com account, go to the Transfer section and select the fiat currency you want to transfer. Enter the amount you want to transfer and select your bank account as the destination. Follow the prompts to complete the transfer. This may take a few days to process, depending on your bank and Crypto.com. Once the funds have been deposited into your bank account, you can transfer them to your Cash App account. To do this, log into your Cash App account, navigate to the banking section, and click on Add Cash. Select your bank account as the source and enter the amount you want to transfer. Follow the prompts to complete the transfer. It is essential to note that transferring funds from Crypto.com to Cash App may incur fees, including withdrawal fees, transfer fees, and exchange fees. Be sure to review the fees associated with each step before initiating the transfer. Additionally, be aware of the minimum and maximum transfer limits for both Crypto.com and Cash App. In conclusion, transferring money from Crypto.com to Cash App requires selling your cryptocurrency for a fiat currency, transferring the funds to your bank account, and then to Cash App. By following these steps and being mindful of the associated fees and transfer limits, you can successfully transfer your funds from Crypto.com to Cash App.